Hey, what's up, everybody? Horace here with 40 Plus Finance, and I got cooked in the markets last week. So, we're going to look at why. Spoiler alert, it's because I'm an idiot. But let's get into it right now. I'm going to share my screen. So, inside of my Fidelity brokerage account, you'll see my positions of SoundHound, SoFi, and Enovix. Got into SoundHound uh, at 1891. It's now down to 1449. Bad. You got 200 shares there. Come to SoFi, got in at 2977. Right now it's trading at 3020. So I'm actually up right now. Not by much, but hey, can't go broke taking a profit, right? And that's unrealized. So, it's all on paper. But woo-wee, Enovix got in at 1223 is the average cost because I got 500 shares. There's a 200 share batch and a 300 share batch. Wow. Last price 927. We are hurting. So the question is, what am I going to do? Now, obviously, well, not obviously, but with SoundHound, I'm just going to hang out. I do think they're going to recover. They just had their earnings. Their earnings weren't bad. Their AI right now, I think the markets, it's kind of like the dot-com bubble in the late 90s. I think people are just throwing money into these AI types of companies because that's the thing right now. But when this recovers, I'm probably going to get out of it. And then you have Enovix. I'm going to hang with them. I think they'll recover. They actually make batteries, lithium based and stuff like that. And we need that. I think they're going to recover. I'm just, in fact, their earnings weren't bad either. And I think this might be one I want to hold for the long term. I could see that being a stock that I'm going to hold now. So those I'm holding, SoundHound and Enovix. I gotta recover because I got massive losses on paper, and I'm not gonna sell out to lock in those losses. I'm gonna wait for them to recover, and then I think I'm gonna take that money, get out, and I've been looking at energy fuels. I like what I've read on them. I think energy is definitely something that we need, so I think long term that could work. Um, I almost thought should I sell my SoFi, take the little bit of profit, and get 200 shares of energy fuels. And if you look at the if you look at the options chain, because that's what I do, guys. I write options on these because I want to make income off the options. If I were to buy 200 shares at 1620, then I could take, for example, I sell close to the money or at the money calls. So I could sell two uh, two contracts and make 120, or I could stay with SoFi and remember, my cost basis on SoFi is 29.97, so I could sell like a $30 strike price, and that would get me, I don't know, about $109. Heck, I could give up a little bit for a little more premium and go for 137. Maybe I'll just work the numbers out and just stay with SoFi. It's actually been a pretty strong stock. So why would I leave it chasing premium? So I don't know. I'll let you guys know what I did. Hey, that's pretty much it. And again, you guys know this is not financial advice. Yeah, I think you figured that out by looking at the moves that I made. You don't want to follow me, but in a way you do, because you can learn what not to do and subscribe to the channel. Let's see how I progress over time. We might determine, okay, Horace, you don't need to be in the market. You're an idiot. You need to go into a nice Vanguard ETF that tracks the S&P. You know, but I'm gonna have fun. I've been losing money, so come back to watch me lose my money. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much.